When people think about investing, they usually ask one question: how much money can I make? But experienced investors often ask a different question: how much could I lose? That's because successful investing isn't just about making money, it's also about managing risk. In this video, I'll explain what investment risk is, why it matters, and 5 simple ways you can reduce unnecessary risk while investing. Let's get started. What is investment risk? Investment risk is simply the possibility that your investment could lose value. Every investment carries some level of risk. Stocks can fall, ETFs can fall, even the S&P 500 experiences market corrections from time to time. Risk is a normal part of investing. The goal isn't to eliminate risk completely, the goal is to manage it wisely. 1. Diversify your investments. One of the easiest ways to reduce risk is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one company, spread your investments across many businesses, industries, or even countries. This means one poor-performing investment is less likely to have a major impact on your overall portfolio. That's one reason many beginners choose broad market ETFs. 2. Invest for the long-term. Short-term market movements can be unpredictable. One week, the market may rise. The next week, it may fall. Trying to predict every move is extremely difficult. Long-term investors often focus less on daily price changes and more on where their investments could be years from now. 3. Only invest money you can leave invested. The stock market isn't the place for money you'll need next month to pay your rent or bills. Markets can fall unexpectedly. If you're forced to sell during a downturn, you could lock in losses. Many people keep an emergency fund separate from their investments for this reason. 4. Control your emotions. Fear and greed are 2 of the biggest enemies of investors. When markets rise quickly, some people buy because they don't want to miss out. When markets fall, some panic and sell. Making decisions based on emotions can lead to poor long-term results. Having a clear investing plan can help you stay disciplined. 5. Keep learning. The more you understand investing, the more confident you'll become. Read books. Learn about ETFs. Understand diversification. Study how markets work. Knowledge won't remove risk, but it can help you make more informed decisions. Managing risk doesn't mean avoiding investing. It means investing in a way that matches your goals, your time horizon, and your comfort with market ups and downs. No investment is guaranteed. Markets will have good years and difficult years, but staying diversified, thinking long-term, and remaining disciplined can help you navigate those changes more confidently. Remember, protecting your money is just as important as growing it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Financial Way for more beginner-friendly investing videos every week. In the next video, we'll answer a question that every investor asks at some point. Should you invest every month or wait for a market crash? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.